welcome back to Tech Quality, your amazing video. So today's video is mostly about a phone which is called Infinix Smart 5A. So it's basically a very good phone. Now let's get to the reason why you need to buy this particular phone. So it's having a large captivating display and camera at both ends with an advanced capabilities. Second or third point is that octa-core processor with 2 GB RAM, and the fourth one is massive 5000 mAh battery. Sixth one is expandable storage. Seventh is Android V11 OS, and eighth and the last reason to buy this phone is that it's having a 32 GB internal storage. Now, when we go to the verdict of this phone, we get to know that Infinix Smart A is a seamless performer to get your daily operations streamlined. The brand has packed a massive battery within the accompanied by a great set of cameras and impressive internal storage. Overall, the Infinix device is a magnificent choice to settle for in case you're running on a tight budget and you want to get hold of something compact. So you need to buy Infinix Smart 5A because it's having a very good processors and many other things. Added benefits including a fingerprint sensor and Android V11 OS. Now we'll go to the entry level device with compact features. And in that, there is display and camera, there's configuration and battery, there's storage and connectivity. And then we'll get to know more about the price and the release date and more.
So the first is the display and the camera. Infinix Smart 5A is equipped with a 6.52-inch IPS LCD having a resolution of 720 pixels by 1640 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20.5:9. The bezel-less display of the smartphone gets a water drop notch at the top beside 275 ppi pixel density with a multi-touch feature. A dual camera setup which consists of 13 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel camera is present on the back end of the smartphone. The main functionalities include within are LED flash, auto flash, digital zoom, face detection, touch to focus, continuous shooting, and HDR mode. Infinity has provided a 5 megapixel f by 2.0 aperture primary camera on the front selfie for the selfies. Front side for the selfies. So let's go to the configuration and the battery.
Yes, so when we go to the configuration and battery of this phone, we get to know that Infinix Smart A comes with a 2.GHz octa-core processor along with a 2 GB RAM enabling seamless multitasking. The smartphone is also loaded with a massive 5000 mAh Li-ion battery, which is also a non-removable battery by nature. When you go to storage and connectivity, you know that the internal storage space packed within Infinix Smart 5A is 32 GB, which can be expanded about 256 GB, or let's say it can only be expanded about 256 GB, so it cannot be expanded above. So via a micro SD card and is also there. And on the connectivity front, the particular smartphone is equipped with the 4G networks for Volt LTE, and then there is mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi 802.11a, GPS is there also, and Bluetooth version 5.0. Now you get to know the price of this particular phone.
Infinix Smart 5A price in India is expected to be rupees 6,499. Infinix Smart 5A is expected to be launched on August 9, 2021, which is 7 days or 1 week after. This is 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage based variant of Infinix Smart 5A, which is expected to be available in Ocean Wave, Quetzal, Cyan, and Midnight Black color. And that's all with the review. If you want more tech videos like this, you have to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, then share with the friends, relatives, family members, whoever you know, and don't forget to leave a comment section below. And my name is Johns.
My name is Jonas. We are
We are
Tech
Tech
World.
World. Signing
Signing
off.
on.
Bye.
Bye bye.